And then we have the last bot, which is actually used in the staff bot. So I have a lot of code in one bot, but we are going to create 5 different bots. So this bot is a data analyzing bot. And this bot is going to actually enhance your skills a lot, because you're going to understand about objects and how to actually use data from objects. This bot is related to the message logging bot, because we're going to pull data from each object when a user writes a certain command, such as displaying the amount of members that are in the server. We're going to display who the owner is of the Discord. This bot is created to give you the power to understand how to read objects, how to use object data without documentation, and we will take a quick look at the Discord bot documentation. So what this bot does is that if we type !members, it's going to return the amount of members and who the owner is. Then I have another command that is server info, and you can see the channel name is bot testing and the ID of the bot testing channel is that ID. Is the channel not safe for work? False. Which false means that it's not true. So false is no, and true is yes. The server name is drunken. Server region is EU Central. Server AFK timeout is 900 seconds. So this bot actually analyzes the data that is sent, so we can analyze. So this bot analyzes the data when an object is sent, and it can grab data that is sent. And that data sent is about the server, like the server settings and so on. And then I have this command, last message. Your last message sent was last message. Your name is Erik Peterson, hashtag 1285. Are you a bot? False. So are you a bot? No. And message ID is this ID. So I'm basically used observing the object and attempting to read the properties. We're not going to manipulate the properties, we're only going to read them and display them. So this bot is going to give you an understanding of how to read objects.